Hey friends, welcome back to the shop. If this is your first time here, I'm Art.
I'm Dana.
And this is our last parts haul for Clara's 351 Cleveland motor build. The last of the Go Fast parts. And I'm excited because, hey, some of them are pretty damn shiny. So, with this being the last ones, there's not that many, thankfully. Everything else is already there with Steve at Barker Machine, and I think we're ready for the next steps on him actually getting that build done.
And we finally have all of the parts?
We finally have all the parts, yes. Yay. After waiting and waiting for some of these. Where do we want to start?
Why don't we start with the carburetor?
All right. So this is the Holley 4150 770 CFM Street Avenger carburetor. This is likely going to be the only shiny part on Clara's motor, and I would have loved to have gone black, but damn, they want a premium for the black carburetor. So budget friendly is nice at times, and this one picked up from Jegs through Amazon, so really great deal. This is a vacuum secondary, electric choke, just everything that we actually need it to be. Okay, babe, what are we going to cover next?
Cams.
All right, so story behind the cams. So we actually ordered cams from Howard's about 5 months ago, and we ordered them through Summit. Summit had the best price. They actually showed a shipping date well before now, and it's been pushed and been pushed like so many other parts that are out there from being manufactured, and Summit does not have an ETA from Howard's. Howard's won't give them an ETA.
It's just extreme backlog, extreme supply chain issues. I'm sure we're not the only ones suffering at this point.
No. If you can find them, that's amazing, because I looked everywhere and could not find Howard's cams. Either they were delayed shipping date or they were completely out of stock. So, in a matter of time, because we don't have any more, we got to move to the secondary option, which is the comp cams, and these are the Thumpr line. All right, so these are the 32-600-8 Thumpr cams. Now the Thumpr cams come in 3 different levels. This is probably the more moderate level for the 351 Cleveland. So with comp cams, they have 3 different levels for this, I guess, for these. You've got Thumpr, then you have Mother Thumpr, and then you have Big Mother Thumpr. And each of those describe the level of deep throatiness that you would associate with a classic muscle car, muscle truck. And we're thinking about how the car is going to be used for us, how we want it to sound. We don't want it insane, and we figured with these cams with a great muffler, H-pipe combo, it's going to be just amazing sounding, still loud, but not to the point where you can't stand to sit in it doing the daily drive.
And we don't really want to break any noise ordinances on accident.
Yeah, definitely don't. So
on purpose is a different story.
Yeah, we want people to appreciate it, not to hate it. So, all right, next piece.
Well, I think all that's left are the valve covers.
That's it, valve covers. Now you got a ton of different types of valve covers out there for these classic cars and trucks. And of course, with ours being a 351 Cleveland, we wanted something to be a little bit higher level than just your standard chrome or black, or Ford blue. Yeah, so we wanted something a little bit higher level than what some of those represent. So what we ended up going with are valve covers from Ansen. Now these are amazing US made valve covers. So some of the cool things about this is these are all cast. You've got cooling fins up top plus a 351 all cut in, all raised, all polished, just absolutely gorgeous. Inside looks great. Once again, their stamping, made in the USA. Really quick service, quick shipping. Could not be any happier. All right, so one other item that we picked up from Ansen is this custom breather for the valve covers. Just think this is absolutely beautiful. It's not a sticker on the top. It's actually a template that they put on before they powder coat it. So it's not coming off. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I think it will really complement everything else. So that is it for this series of the episodes on the parts. As you saw that we did the honing and boring of the block, and now he has just one more item to do on the block before we start assembly. So if you're interested in continuing to see the build of the motor and of course the entire build of the car, make sure that you subscribe so you follow along and you see when things come out, because we got some big ones coming up. Clara is coming out of the spa and getting ready to go to Golden Rule here in the next week, and they got a whole compilation of the stripping of her body. Damn, that is so cool. So, once again...
Did you just say Clara's a stripper?
I wish she was. Might help in paying for all of this.
I wonder what kind of ratings YouTube is going to give us after that video comes out.
Maybe that's the title of the video.
Oh no. We're going to get canceled.
Well, thanks once again for tuning in for another episode with us. We certainly appreciate you. Until next episode, stay safe, take care. We'll see you soon. Bye.